Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a closer look at OpenX, https://www.openx.com, a prominent player in the ad tech space. OpenX provides a platform for publishers and app developers to effectively monetize their digital inventory through advertising. They offer a range of solutions designed to optimize ad revenue and streamline the ad serving process. OpenX focuses on creating a transparent and efficient marketplace for both the supply side, publishers, and the demand side, advertisers. Their technology aims to connect the right ads with the right audience, maximizing the value of each impression. One of the key offerings from OpenX is their header bidding solution. This allows publishers to offer their ad inventory to multiple demand partners simultaneously, creating competition and potentially driving up bid prices. This can lead to increased revenue for publishers and a more efficient allocation of ad impressions. OpenX also offers advanced reporting and analytics tools, giving publishers insights into their ad performance and enabling them to make data-driven decisions to further optimize their strategies. Beyond header bidding, OpenX provides a range of other services, including programmatic direct deals and private marketplaces. These options offer publishers more control over who they sell their inventory to and at what price. OpenX emphasizes building a sustainable advertising ecosystem that benefits all participants. They are committed to combating ad fraud and promoting industry best practices to ensure a healthy and transparent marketplace. For publishers looking to maximize their ad revenue, OpenX presents a compelling suite of tools and technologies. Their focus on transparency, efficiency, and innovation makes them a noteworthy player in the increasingly complex world of online advertising. While this overview provides a basic understanding of OpenX, I encourage you to explore their website and resources further to determine if their platform is the right fit for your specific needs. Remember to check out the links in the description below for more information.